Welcome to another episode of That Crazy Triangle Guy. Here we are looking at a video of mine from October 13th, a month ago. And I have the playback speed at 1.5, which I recommend you do um, for my videos, and it makes me sound almost normal. But I'm glad everybody is jumping on the Ethereum bandwagon. This is what we had to say a month ago.
So you can see since May of 2022, we've been trading in this larger ascending triangle. And some might argue that there's also a smaller ascending triangle where we've come down and it's acted as support and resistance here in these cases. Now, a measured move from this leg, you can see these huge arrows. Measured move from where we're at now to the top of the triangle, the breakout here, and take us back up 2000. So it'd be very conceivable to see if you're head up this way, break out to the top of the triangle, come back down and retest here before heading back upwards.
I'll just stop it there. Whoa, we don't want to go to that chart. Here's Ethereum US dollar index on a daily time frame. October 13th was back here. And what did we do? Came up 1740, where I said, broke through, shot back up, retested the top of the triangle, came back up. Well, went past the target of 2020. Well, 2024 is the top of the larger ascending triangle, which we have broken out of. Now, all this happened a lot more quickly than I expected, especially after Ethereum has been kind of, just going sideways up and down here. Didn't expect it to happen so rapidly, but we were very excited about this bounce off of our long-term trend line. Especially seeing Ethereum come down here like this, I knew that's what it was doing. I knew it was coming down here because it had to, and it had to bounce off that line, and it did. Now, currently, we got a nice red candle here, which is good because we got to come down and test the top of this triangle here. Now, once we do that, I was watching Crown earlier, and he said 20. His target was about 3,500. I have my target. Wasn't really paying a lot of attention to his video. Mine's at 4,500. I don't know where he got 3,500. Anyway, um, that target is from this leg right here, from the bottom of this leg to the top of the triangle. From there to there. So that's where we're headed up, and coincidentally, so I put the target over here where it would meet up with this ascending triangle. That's in March of 2024. So that makes sense that we would be heading up that way, heading into the halving. Um, as I believe Bitcoin dominance is heads down and the altcoins pump into the halving, and then they flip, and then they flip again. So we are also I've drawn a parallel channel here and it's just rough right now because it's in the early stages. I don't have a lot of contact points on it, but I've just kind of tried to estimate the rate that we are heading up here. You can kind of get a contact point there, kind of make the center line follow some price action, the trend of the price action. After a bounce here, I think we should be moving up to about 2,600 or so, somewhere around here. That's what I'm looking for, heading into the end of the year. And that would be, I don't know, probably like a 50% move or something. Let's see, from where we're at now. Uh, okay, so that's only a 25% move. What has this done so far, though? Because for the market, let's just take from the top of this triangle. What kind of move would that be? Yeah, it's about a 50% move. So that would be consistent with what we're looking for, what we have been looking for from the altcoin market heading into or for the entire crypto market, Bitcoin and altcoins. It's a 50 to 60% move um, over a few month period heading into the end of the year and the beginning of next year. So looks good. All right. Like, subscribe. See you next. Well, let's may as well see what Bitcoin's doing. You know what? I want to look at Bitcoin on a. Seems we have extra lines here. Those weren't there a second ago. Maybe because I was on a daily. Don't know. Here you can see with the honest chart with fewer lines, still a lot of lines. This blue vertical line is the upcoming CPI data release. What is this? This is the halving here in April. Looks like it's just right around the corner, doesn't it? And Bitcoin is heading into its blue parallel channel here. Without all those other lines, you can more clearly see us transitioning from the white and the green parallel channels into the blue. I believe we might have a little. We'll see what happens. Come up here, something like this. Come up here. And then we'll start trading like this within the blue channel. But once again, where we were. And let's see, by the halving, we need to be at 48,000. Oh, that's right. Remember, we fall out of the blue channel once again to 48,000 right here at the top of the green parallel channel. That's what we do. We come up here to about 62,000. Where would that be? 60,000's right there. I think we come up maybe a little bit outside this channel. We came all the way up to 62. And we wanted to stay within the channel. That would be early February. That's conceivable. And then head back down into the halving event. So from 62 early February, I imagine we would be trading up here, probably down here. Yeah, that makes sense. Trade here, come up here, trade here, come back down, boom, like that. Let's just draw a little line here. So, something like this. And then our parabolic run starts. That looks pretty good. All right. So this is getting a little bit longer than I wanted, so we'll just see you next time. Thanks.